beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very refreshing agua fresca, perfect for this hot weather. It's creamy pecan agua fresca that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Prepare this creamy, refreshing pecan agua fresca. These are the ingredients: condensed milk, granulated sugar, color, flavor, pecan extract, 1 pinch of salt, heavy whipping cream, 2 cups of pecans, water, and ice. This is everything we need, so let's get started. First things first, I want to prepare first my simple syrup. I have 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and I am going to take it to the stove, cook it for a couple minutes until the sugar has dissolved, the water is boiling, and that's when you know your simple syrup is ready. When you make your simple syrup, you use less sugar than if you add regular granulated sugar. We're going to put it aside, let it come to room temperature. Make your simple syrup. And here I have my pecans. They're nice and toasted. What I'm going to use, I have 2 cups of pecans, nice and toasted. I am adding it to my blender cup, my NutriBullet. I only use my NutriBullet for my agua frescas and my smoothies. I'm adding here 1 cup of simple syrup. I'm going to add here some water and a pinch of salt. Remember, the pinch of salt is going to bring up the flavor of the pecans. So here I'm just going to be very generous, add enough water to blend it, and then we are going to cover it, and it's ready to be blended. Look at this. Now that it's nice and blended, is really thick, I am going to go ahead, add it to my glass cup. I'm going to add my condensed milk, and of course I'm not going to leave anything behind of the condensed milk. The condensed milk gives it such an amazing flavor. So here I'm getting everything out. Once I have everything out, I am ready to add my heavy whipping cream. This is gonna make this agua fresca so creamy and delicious that you guys are going to love it. And this agua fresca is really going to refresh yourself for this summer. Of course, I'm not leaving any of the heavy whipping cream behind. I'm going to incorporate it really good. Of course, to this, I am going to add the concentrate of pecan, aroma, and color extract. Look at this. I am ready to add it. I'm going to add just 1 tablespoon. And once I add it, I am going to mix it really good, making sure that everything is well incorporated. I want to show you how smooth it is, how thick it is, how creamy it is. Oh my gosh, and the aroma of the pecan, amazing. I'm going to add some more water, and now I am ready to make a large pitcher with lots of ice. But first, let me show you from close up how this looks. Look, all the little specks of the pecans. Look how thick it is. I wish you guys were here to smell the aroma of the roasted pecans. If you got up to this part of the video and you love the recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video in social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Look at this. It's nice and hot here in California, and I am really going to enjoy and refresh myself with this amazing pecan creamy agua fresca. I have my pitcher here. I am going to be very generous and add about 4 cups of ice. I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of pecans, roasted pecans, and now I am ready to add the creamy, thick, delicious agua fresca of pecan. This looks amazing, and the aroma of the pecan, oh my gosh, it's so penetrated. Look at this, how beautiful this looks. Now I'm ready for my cup, my big large glass full of ice and pecans. Can't wait to enjoy. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this creamy, refreshing agua fresca of pecans. I know you guys are going to love it. This is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. The flavor of pecan, so concentrated. You need to add the flavor, color of pecan extract. It really comes out amazing. Refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay refreshing myself with this amazing agua fresca of pecan. Creamy, refreshing, and delicious. Made at home with lots of love. See you soon. Bye-bye.